Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics, here to introduce to you today our SS3 Fog Light Kit for the 05 to 11 Toyota Tacoma and 07 to 13 Toyota Tundra. As you can see, not only does our SS3 Fog Light Kit give your vehicle a fresh, modern look, but it will also give you a significant increase in light output over factory fog options. Unlike other fog light kits that may require you to do extra cutting or drilling, our SS3 Fog Light Kit is a direct bolt-in fitment that requires no additional modification. We offer our SS3 Fog Light Kits in two separate SAE approved optics, one driving optic in a 6000K cool white that is intended to be used as a supplemental high beam, and another in a fog optic in 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow. This is intended to put light directly in front of the vehicle at over an 80-degree spread. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 Fog Light Kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, you can visit our link at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.